Good morning, everyone. My name is Ngabo Marcel. I would like to show you today how to configure Eigrp. Eigrp is a routing protocol that is used to make routes and routers. So Eigrp, as I have said on this network, on this notepad, it's just enhance the interior gateway routing protocol. So this is how to configure it, and let's make it in practice. Here we are in the router called go, then enable conft. After having conft, I have said that you write router Eigrp. When you write Eigrp, you take some key point, then you say what is autonomous key, autonomous number. Maybe I can say let's take 100. Then you put the attached network of router. Maybe you are seeing here you have 3 networks that are attaching on this router of you. So try to make them their network. There is one which is 10, 10, 10, 64. Again, you come and say there is what is 48. There is again that one of 72. Okay, now we're done. So you may want also to add some wildcard mask if you want. You write network 10, 10, 10, 64 space, then you put a wildcard mask of this network of 64, and even for 48, and then for 72. Then, or if you don't want, just use network 10, 10, 10, 64, network 10, 10, 10, 48, 10, 10, 10, 72. Okay, by now we can save. By checking, we can see whether it has been configured. So run. This is what we learn. Then this is, you can see Eigrp, it is there. So because Eigrp summarize itself, so you have to say router Eigrp 100. Then you say no auto summary address, no auto summary, to prevent that it can summarize itself. Now we're done. Again, we come in the second router, we do the same procedure. Do the same procedure. This router is for master. And conft, we say router Eigrp 100. Please, the autonomous key should be the same as well as possible. Network 10, 10, 10. Again, there are 3 networks that are touching the router. There are 72, there is 0, and there is 32. Then you put 0. Again, you bring it back, then you put 32. Again, you bring it back, you say 72. Now you're done. Then save. Okay, you say no auto summary. You save again. Then you may save on the RAM again. You say copy running config startup config, or copy startup config running config. Now you're done. Show run. What we have now to have configured. Show run. Now you can see our Eigrp is there. So to check it well, show IP route. Show IP route. Obviously, if you try to see this stands for Eigrp, and here we have our D. So the things are done. have Eigrp of 10.10.10.48 slash. Okay, if you again you come and check in this router of so you can come and say and then show IP root. Okay, show IP root. Wow, you can see that you have this Eigrp is configured. Okay, so we can try to check the connectivity now of the machines. If I start on the interfaces, then I say ping 10 10 10 7 4. I can see this pinging. If I say 1, this pinging. If I say 33, this pinging. Okay, if I see the machines and I see the machine, this desktop, then I see this. I come and ask DHCP, can you give me the IP? Then this is my IP, and I come here, I say what is it for but then I come and say, can you give me the DHCP IP? Then this is 8, and then I say, I come and ping and ping. Just I can just see that I have my IP. Then I say ping 10 10 10 10 what 52. Let's see. Obviously it is working. It is working. It is working. Okay, now we're done. You guys, I also want to show you and to remind you how to configure Eigrp. Just type router in configuration mode router Eigrp, then you write autonomous key, then you press enter. After pressing enter, then you come there, you say network, you write the attached networks of the router. Okay, yes, hope you understand. Thank you to follow this. We shall meet next.